I think each of us, sometime during our life, has wanted to paint a picture. I think there's an artist hid in the bottom of every single one of us. And here we will try to show you how to bring that artist out, to put it on canvas, because you too can paint almighty pictures. We start with a vision in our heart, and we put it on canvas. We let it happen. It comes right out of here. It's in you. All of our lives, we've been told that you have to go to school half your life, maybe even have to be blessed by Michelangelo at birth to ever be able to paint a picture. And here, we want to show you that that's not true. We're going to start out here with titanium white, phthalo green, Prussian blue, Van Dyke brown, alizarin crimson, sap green, cad yellow, and permanent red. Just let your imagination run wild. Let your heart be your guide. So, let's do it. Let's paint a picture right here. And look at that. In just a matter of a few minutes, we have a beautiful tree. You know, if you've ever walked through the woods early in the morning, all the little creatures are out here. They're all playing in their bushes and stuff. This is where they live. Let's play a little bit here. In the time you sit around worrying about it and trying to plan a painting, you could have completed a painting already. Let it happen. Okay. See how easy that is? And in your world, you can do anything that your heart desires. And maybe. One of the golden rules in this is that a thin paint will stick to a thick paint. This is your creation. You can do anything here that you want to do. Just let it happen. We need dark in order to show light. So first we'll put some dark on here. Wash off the old brush. Nothing else. It'll teach you to look at nature with different eyes. It'll teach you to see things that have been there all your life and you've never noticed. Make you enjoy nature. Look around. Look at what we have. Beauty is everywhere. You only have to look to see it. Experiment. Just do crazy things. What's the worst thing that can happen? I hope you've enjoyed this painting. Just get crazy. You know me. it's about time to bring this show and this series to a close. I've really enjoyed being with you for the past 13 shows, and I hope to see you again very soon. Dream in your heart that you want to put on canvas. And join us right here for the joy of painting. And you too can build fantastic pictures. You can take them from here and put them on there. Happy painting. God bless.